Hi guys, I'm making this one by Zero, but I don't know this one.
Where did you buy?
Shamo.
Okay. Gonna cut it?
Yeah.
Oh, this one. I'm gonna cut this one as well. Who's excited?
Me. I'm cute. Cute na. Me.
Animal playset.
Yeah. Open this one.
Wow! Dami. What's inside? Open it, my love.
Home.
Oopsie. I'm gonna get it. No worries. Ako na. You show it. You show it.
Let's look at the phone. Thank tiny. And a medicine.
For the
One.
pet
Then
food.
pet food. And ito pet food.
For the poop also.
For
Ay, no, for the food niya.
Ito.
How many pets?
We got comb too. Get the two combs.
One is the brush. Oh, dami pet pala ni Rovel. How many dogs?
Two.
3. Count it.
1, 2, 3. Sorry.
Wow. And then, this is their house.
And first you eat medicine pa. First you eat the medicine. After you eat food.
3 puppies.
And this other one.
This one, the gray one.
Then there's eating time doggies.
Yeah.
You forgot to comb the other ones. First you come after you eat. Because you have so long. You. Eating time already.
Say bye-bye sa vlog.
Bye bye guys. I'm gonna make Bobby's vlogs.
Say bye.
Bye bye.